Alright guys, today I got my first Zippo. Just bought it. I've only taken it out of the case to take the stickers off of it. It is an actual Zippo. Made in USA, everything. I decided just to get a classic to start with since, you know, it's my first one. So, hinges aren't worn at all. At least not yet. What I plan on doing is I plan on starting collecting Zippos. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start learning tricks, and then hopefully I'm going to be able to teach them and record me teaching them and help you guys learn how to as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be right back because I am going to refill this, and if you want, I'll post an annotation to skip forward, or I'll post it in the description. I don't care. But I'm going to be AFK, so I will be right back. Oh, and I'm actually just going to take it apart here. New ones are a bit of a pain in the ass to get apart. So, yeah. Sorry if the video's a little bit blurry. I haven't focused it yet for up close. That's a little bit better. But yeah, I just went with what the woman at the tobacco shop said. Just grab some of this fluid, so I'm like, alright, whatever. Grab it. Let's go. Also, I'm going to be reviewing a kind of cigarette that I have never even seen before. I've only heard of it once, and it's American Spirit. I decided to go with the smooth, mellow taste. So, I'll be reviewing that after I get my Zippo filled up and I play with it for a little bit. But yeah, so far what I like about these cigarettes is there's no additives, so there's no pesticides or anything else you get with all the other cigarettes. And what I think is really cool is this Indian, I don't know what to call it, the Indian Eagle, I guess. But yeah, they look like okay cigarettes. They smell like camels, and if I hit them dry, it tastes like camels. So I don't know. We'll find out. But I'll be back. I gotta go fill up my Zippo. Alright, I'm back with a filled up Zippo. Gotta put the cover back on it. Alright. Now, hopefully my hands do not have gas on them, or else it's gonna suck. There we go. make sure things doesn't have any gas on it. It's leaking a little bit, so it's not good. Hang on, let me dry my hands off a little bit. Make sure there's nothing on them. There's a flame right there. Okay, so hopefully that's it for any leftover fuel. See, it keeps on doing it. Alright, that seems like that's going to be it for the extra gas coming out. So, I guess now I'll take a hit of one of these cigarettes and ignore the dirty desk. I tend to have a few parties every once in a while, and whenever I smoke, I kind of miss my ashtray, and yeah, smoke or ashes get everywhere, and it just gets bad. So, alright, American Spirit, smooth, mellow taste. Time to try it. For some reason, the entire thing is hot. I don't know why. My question is, why is it burning bluish purple on the screen? That's actually pretty awesome. Wow. Okay, well, when you hit, there's not much smoke whatsoever. Ah, blurry! Stop being blurry. Okay. Not sure what else to say. Not much smoke. Goes down smoother than any cigarette I've ever had. Goes down smoother than these. Goes down smoother than these. Definitely more than these. And goes down smoother than any swishers I can get. So, I don't know. I don't like it being... I like it being smooth, but I don't like it being tasteless. It tastes like I'm smoking water vapor. It seems to smoke as much as a normal cigarette would, but it has far, far less smoke. I'm not sure why. Then again, there is no additives in it. The only thing in it is just straight up tobacco. I guess if all you wanted was a nicotine rush, or yeah, not even a rush, just if you wanted nicotine, I guess this would work for you. But for me, I like taste, and I like to be able to do tricks. So the less smoke there is, and the less taste there is, the less I like it. And I mean, this is okay. I mean, yeah, I'm getting my nicotine, but I don't know. That doesn't seem like a normal cigarette. It seems like I'm smoking. It has like, I don't know how to explain it. If you've ever had like one of those blue cigarettes, one of the electronic ones, the lowest nicotine filter you can get, it tastes like half of that, and that's barely any at all. So I don't know. I don't exactly recommend these, but I mean, if all you want is nicotine and you don't want the burning sensation or sore throats that cigarettes can offer, then get American Spirit. I might try a different flavor next time. I'll probably go with either mellow or just regular smooth instead of smooth mellow. Either that or I'll get original or classic taste, or full bodied. I'll probably get full bodied. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. After I get my hinge worn out a little bit, I'll start doing tricks. Yeah, I could probably do it right now, but ah, that doesn't sound too good or look too good. Anyways, if you're gonna hate, at least make sure it's relevant to the video. If not, then okay. Just don't go without liking or favoriting or something. I don't care. Sometime soon though, I'm gonna start editing for one of my friends who owns a Steam group and does Let's Plays out the ass. And I'll link you to the Facebook page. We announce every single live stream on the Facebook page, so if you guys ever want to participate or watch or even play with us, then go right ahead. It's all Steam games, and most of them are under the Steam sale category. So, yeah. That's about it. New Zippo. Cigarette review. I'm done.